Hi everyone, welcome to ETHDenver 2022 In-Person Hackathon Voting tutorial. As you may know, the 30 finalists will be announced on February 20 at 2 p.m. In this video, I'll walk you through the voting process on DoraHacks, but simplify you how to vote for the 30 finalists and what's MACI quadratic voting. To start, you will have to visit the grant page on DoraHacks. In this grant, you can support the 30 finalists with your votes. First, you will have to connect your crypto wallet to the MACI card with Polygon Mainnet. This will equip your profile with Spork voting tokens. Then you may free to add builders into the MACI card and customize votes for each as you preferred. The amount of votes will be calculated based on the MACI quadratic voting mechanism. MACI, which stands for Minimum Anti-Collusion Infrastructure, is a base layer for bribery-resistant, secure, and private digital voting. It doubles up the voting cost every time voters increase one vote. After you have confirmed the gas fee transaction on your wallet, you will then be prompted with this page indicating the MACI vote submission. One thing to highlight about the MACI quadratic voting is that it enables voters to resubmit votes to override past submissions. Voters are able to revote until the end of the MACI round at 6 p.m. Click Proofs. You can download the zero-knowledge proofs of MACI message processing and vote tallying and verify them via smart keys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any voting related concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us on DoraHacks support channel in the ETHDenver Discord. Bye bye.